Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chris. This video, I'm going to create a talking photo right here on my website where it says work with Chris. Instead of the static image right here, I'm going to use Galaxy AI and make a photo that I've created. The substitute for this one, I'm going to make it talk. Okay, I'm going to put this information right here and using Galaxy AI create a talking photo. So let's jump right in. Okay, galaxy.ai, leave a link below in the description. But first thing we do, we come over here on the left sidebar and go to AI talking photo. And I simply uploaded this photo right here I just created. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the photo model, and if it's over 8 seconds, I use Hedra, Hedra. Now you also, voice settings, you can use their library or you can use your own. Now I have recorded my own voice under voice clone, but you can see you've got over 1,399 voices to choose from if you don't want your own. But this is going on a personal blog, so I have cloned my own voice. You can see right there 43 seconds, and now they take my voice and they use it for my photo. So now all I have to do is enter to speak, and I'm going to create some text real quick and I'll be right back. And need help, I can help you there. And I just put in this text, for example, my favorite, creating self-hosted email marketing site like this one, so it won't be shut down again. That is my favorite. Or crypto related matter like setting up a crypto wallet, setting your DeFi passive income system, how to cash out crypto, how to trade crypto. Just reach out to me, blah, blah, blah. Okay, then all you do is click generate audio. And you see the audio here is 52 seconds. And once it's generated, then we click the blue button, generate. So I'm going to click generate, and we'll give that a minute or two, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, and we're back. That took about 5 minutes. Here's the video right here. It says 52 seconds. So what I'm going to do is save that to my device. Now, I'm going to upload that. You can upload it to Vimeo, wherever you host your videos. I'm going to just host it on YouTube under unlisted. So let's go over here to YouTube, and then I'll add it to the WordPress website. So let's go over here to YouTube, create, and I'll just upload it as an unlisted video, and then I'll upload it to WordPress. So give that 1 second, be right back. Okay, let's select that file. There it is right there. Upload it, takes a couple seconds, and we'll just make it unlisted right there. Click save. Here it is right here. So let's get shareable link. That's all I need. Now let's go over to WordPress, and what I'm going to do is, now I use Elementor for page building. So I'm going to add a video widget. So grab it right there, and right here under YouTube, I'm going to paste that link right here, and then I'm going to delete this image. I don't need this image. That's all we need right there. Okay, let's see. It'll take a minute or two to process. We'll give it 1 second. Yeah, let's speed it up. There you go. That's it. That's how you make a talking photo with Galaxy AI. Leave the link below. Thanks for subscribing. Till next time. Bye for now.